Hey, good morning. I just thought I would do a little video here how to remove water spots from your windows or even your shower door. We've looked and looked and looked and finally found something that actually works to get rid of water spots from your windows. It actually clears it up, cleans it up with a little bit of elbow grease, but it actually does work, unlike a lot of other things that are out on the internet. So what you need for it is your big bottle of the Gojo, and also your drill, and with a brush attachment. And what you do is you put a little bit of Gojo on the brush, and then you just work the window over and over for several minutes, just really trying to clean up the water spots. I'll show you my window here now, and you can see what it looks like before. So this is the window here. You can see, because of the sprinkler system, the windows actually got pretty bad. Actually fairly hard to see out of from the inside. So going to try to clean this up here now and see how that works. So what I do is I put a little bit of Gojo on the brush, and when you're first applying it, you're going to want to go slow with the brush because it will sling the Gojo everywhere. So until it's actually been spread out throughout the window, you want to go slow. So just go slow here. Just go slow. Just get it applied evenly over a good section of the window. And then you'll want to apply a little bit more and finish the rest of the window, and you'll see how it is here in a little bit. So back here again, just finishing up here. It does require a little bit of pressure and a little bit of elbow grease. I try to go in various different patterns across the window to make sure that it's all covered. Some of the tougher spots might require a bit more elbow grease, but I think we're going to be looking pretty good compared to where we started. All right, so let's try to rinse this off and see where we are at. Just a bit of water. Oh, it's already looking better. Looking good. Let's try to dry it off here. See what happens. Boy, what a world of difference. It looks like they got about 95% of it off the window. Now to work on the other three. I'll try to take some before and after photos for you to see. Hey guys, so yeah, you can see, I'll show you here in a second, the difference between the windows. I got one side completely done. I'd say they're 95% better. The top window's probably 100% better. Just some of the hard spots are very tough to get out. Probably have to do a couple more passes to get all of it out, but it's way better. So let me just turn the camera around and you can see what it looks like. So again, you can actually see my reflection now in the window, and you can see how much better it is. There's still a little bit here, but look on the top window, it's pretty clean. Now we compare it to the other side that I haven't done yet, and especially this bottom part, just look how bad it is. And then we compare it back over, you can see the difference between that side and this side. A world of difference with just a little bit of elbow grease. So there you have it. All the windows are done. The bottom windows were the worst ones. Those I'd say about 99% better. The top ones I'd say they're about 99, 100% better. Might have to find something a bit more abrasive to get the remaining water spots off the bottom windows. But comparing to where it all started, they're a world better. And so you guys know, the reason why I suggest Gojo is because Gojo has the pumice stone in it. So it acts as a bit of an abrasive, which helps to get rid of the hard water spots, which normal chemicals don't seem to get off. And I've never found anything else that seems to work. And then just a bit of elbow grease. So I'm guessing for the bottom windows, might need to find something a little bit more abrasive than the pumice stone, or just go over it a few more times and hopefully it all comes out. So, yeah, thank you guys. Let me know if it's helpful for you.